This is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for October 6, 2011. First, we're taking a look at the SPY, the S&P 500. You can see here that we had the day up, pretty much trended up most of the day. Would consolidate, pulled back, break through again, another consolidation at 114, and then a final break at the end of the day. Held up aftermarket, and then pre-market this morning. We have been gapping up, and then we had the pull back this morning. Could have been on news of Steve Jobs' death. So that might have a little bit to do with the pullback from the gap up, but I still think we should be pretty strong off the open. Watch for support to be around this 114 area. So right in there, watch for support. We had a consolidation under 114 at the end of yesterday. Also had the high back on 10.3 and low 930 and 929. So 114 should show some support. If we do get some selling and a pullback off the open, watch for that 114 to hold, bounce back up. Going to have some resistance. We'll have some resistance at 115, and then up here about 115.50. So right in there, watch those two areas. If we can push through that, I can see we might get up into 116 today, and then the last level of resistance could be around 116.65 to 117. So I am going to be looking more to the long side. We'll be looking for this to hold this new trend line that we're building on the way up. Trade accordingly, and let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First up, we have BMRN. You can see resistance level here right around 32.67. We're going to look for a break above the previous day's high. I'm going to take this long over 32.71. So right about there, take it long. First profit target is going to be 33. It's a little bit early, but look to take some profit here with the whole dollar resistance at 33. Maybe 32.99 would be a good price. Watch it there, see if it can break through that 33. Next profit target is going to be 33.30, right in this area. And then you're going to have this 52-week high resistance at 33.50. I would keep a small piece to see if you can break through that. If you can break through that, we could see 34 area right up in here. Next we have ATVI. You can see the resistance level here right around 12.30. We've pulled up just underneath that. We're running at about 12.19 to 12.15. We're going to look for a breakout over this resistance level. We're going to take this long at 12.33. First profit target is going to be 12.45. And second profit target is going to be 12.59. So just under 12.60. Take another piece off. Move up your stop at that point. And then I would trail the last piece up into 12.80. Could possibly see 13 if we get a trending strong up day. Now we're looking at LO. See resistance level here right around 112.50. Going to look for a break over 112.56. First profit target is going to be 113.68. So right about there. Second profit target is going to be 114.80. Watch this high here. I would take profit a little bit early on your second piece around 114.50. You're going to have some resistance here. See if you can push up and then test 115. Get a push through 115 and I would trail the last stop around 116. Now we're looking at LH. Support level on LH is right around 74.50. We're going to look for a break below that. Going to take it short under 74.49. First profit target is going to be 73.75. Second profit target is going to be 73. Maybe just over that. I would say 73.02. And then see if it can break down below 73, and I would trail a stop down into 72. Next we have MHS. You can see support level here around 44.60. We're going to take this short under 44.47. So we're going to wait below 44.50. Right about there. You can see we'd gap down just a little bit this morning. We're bouncing back up. I still like this support level as a break for an entry on the short side. So 44.47. First profit target is going to be at 44. So 44.02 or 44.03 is fine. See if it can break below 44. Next profit target is going to be 43.65. So take a little bit more off around here. And then trail a stop down into 43 on your last piece. And our last trade is WBMD, WebMD. You can see here tested support at 27 a few times and continued to have smaller bounces back into that 27. Very weak stock, looking pretty sickly. If we do get some selling or break down the market, I think this could have a pretty good drop. Going to take this short under 26.96. So right about there, take it short. First profit target is going to be 26.70. Second profit target is going to be 26.44. And then I would trail a stop down at a 26. Could go below 26, so I'd try to be patient on your last quarter of that trade, especially if we do get some selling and a breakdown of support in the market. But this is a very weak stock, so I mean, we could get a bounce. Just set your alert, watch that 27, and I think eventually this will come down below 27. Those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.